Hey guys, this is Chloe with Modern Real Estate. Today we are checking out my new listing coming up, and it is 932 Carriage Way. The dining room is a really large space, and I love how it connects to the kitchen. In the kitchen, you'll find a lot of counter space and a lot of cabinet space. In fact, the current owner doesn't even know how to fill it all. In the upstairs, you'll find 2 bedrooms, 1 bath that's very up to date. In the basement, there's a bonus room, there's another bathroom with a stand-up shower, and then you also find the laundry room down there. And I love how the 2-stall garage is attached and has a lot of great built-ins. I'd really like to give you your own personal tour. Give me a call or shoot me a text. Thanks, guys.